I'm going to be showing how to install a SSD drive into a computer system. I have a computer here. Right up here we have an external tray that we have SATA 40 gig Seagate drive in it. And then down here we have a SSD, which are the new drives. I have no moving parts and they last about 15 years. With this one here, we have an operating system on the main hard drive that's up here, and we're going to transfer everything from here to the SSD drive with Acronis software. So we're just going to go ahead and insert this here with the computer off. I'm going to turn it on. Turn on our monitor here, and we're going to hit escape because we want to get into the boot menu. On this setup here, it shows the Western Digital SSD drive as the first drive that it would boot off of, and we don't have an operating system on that, so we're going to select second drive down, Seagate drive. We're going to boot this up. Still booting. Okay, let me bring up our desktop here. As you can see, this is still booting up. This will take some time. It usually can sometimes take 5 to 6 minutes to boot up fully into the operating system. We do have Acronis here, True Image 2016. And just wait a few minutes here. We're just going to open up computer, and we're going to show you the main drive in here, which is the Seagate drive, which is this SATA drive, and then we have the SSD, which is a Western Digital 250 gigabyte. So we're going to close that down. We're going to open up Acronis True Image. We're going to say yes on that. We're going to let that boot up. So we're going to select. We're going to close this out. This is just to sign into Acronis Cloud. We're going to select clone the disk. I'm going to select automatic, select next. We got the two drives here. The top one is highlighted for the main drive. I'm going to click next. We're going to select this one to be the next one, Western Digital. And we're going to say OK. We're going to copy partitions without any changes. Select the top one. We're going to say yes. We're going to click on proceed. Now this will shut this program down, reboot the system, and let's see, we're going to restart that. And it's going to go through its motions. Okay, and it's shutting it down. And it'll boot into Acronis software and do the transition over from the SATA drive Seagate over to the SSD. It'll take about 10 minutes to do that.